Good morning, everyone. So today I'm here in Malapascua. It's an island north of the mainland of Cebu. We got here yesterday from Cebu City. I think we got a bus with no AC for 160 pesos that goes all the way to the north of Cebu, Maya Port. You can get one with AC. We didn't know about it. It's only 20 pesos more, so I'd recommend doing that. And then from there, I think we got a ferry from Maya Port, 30-minute ferry here to Malapascua, and that was 200 pesos each. It's supposed to be 100 pesos, but if they don't fill up the boat, they charge you more just so you can leave. And there's pretty much no passengers there, so yeah, we just paid a bit extra. That's around $4. And today we're just going to be relaxing a bit. We're at the hostel that we're staying at right now called Mr. Quiz. Just about to have breakfast. And then I think we might even rent a bike and just a bicycle and explore the island a bit. Carol's breakfast is looking delicious. We got the bananas, omelets and bread, and that was just $2.
Want some?
Nope, I'm allergic to egg. Carol's trying to kill me. And here's mine. Got banana pancake with some maple syrup, and we also both got coffees. So pretty good. $4 overall. This dog is chilling. How's it going, buddy? You looked at me with the funniest expression ever. All the roosters, alarm clocks. Alright, so the owners of our hostel said that there isn't really bike rentals here, so we're just gonna go for a walk to the north of the island. And here doesn't actually have any cars, you can see. It's just full of little like alleyways like this, loads of like local housing and stuff, so there's no real road here, just these sandy pathways. Check out the size of that thing. That was crazy. So just from this little walk, we can already see it's quite different to the other islands that we've been on. The other islands seem like pretty humid and yeah, just lots of nature and stuff. This island kind of feels really dry at the moment. There's lots of like dead leaves. Yeah, just very different, the temperature. And so it's a lot harder to like walk in because it's so hot and dry. We already got some water. And I said that we were heading up north, but we don't even know what's there really. We just decided to walk there. The south coast is all like the touristy part with like resorts and stuff. So far up north it's just all been like villages and things. Water. Agua. Got some karaoke going on. Definitely in the Philippines. Came across a pretty nice looking beach here. But check this out. So there's this, don't talk trash, don't throw trash, and then look at all this trash. That's crazy. We've now arrived at the far north side of the island. It took about 40 minutes I think to walk here. Probably not the best idea since it was so hot. We kind of wish we had just got one of the like motor taxi guys and come up here. But yeah, this beach that we've come to right now, I think it's called Langob Beach, and it's definitely a lot nicer than the main beach down south called Bounty Beach. You can see here, look at that, like really white sand here. Water looks nice as well. And like the past few days, also pretty much nobody here. We have found the beach pig. Beach pig. We almost stayed at this part actually. We was looking at, there's like a resort here called Avila's Resort, I think. And yeah, we just didn't decide to, since it's not the main part. There doesn't seem to be anything else here at all. Like if you stay here, I think that's the only place you can really eat. But there's quite a lot of people staying there, and yeah, if you just want a place to just relax and not do anything at all, it is a great place to stay, because you don't really need to go and explore anyway. You could just hang out on this beach. Got the kids coming back from school. You like those drone shots? It's always cool flying the drone because you get to see things that are around here, like so many other beaches that I had no idea, pretty much deserted, but me and Carol are too lazy right now. You're still tired, right?
Yeah, we need to take a nap.
Yeah, nap time. So we ain't moving from this beach right now. And you probably saw how small the island is. You could literally see the south side of it as well, where we're staying. So really tiny island here, but yeah, pretty cool. We're now heading to a beach that I saw on the drone shots on the west coast, because we want to get a good spot for the sunset. How's it going? Funny, we're just trying to find our way through all these little alleyways, because Google Maps shows no roads at all, so yeah, you just gotta kind of guess. Oh man, we found a puppy! Puppy! Little puppy! So cute. You lit my screen. I think we can get through down here. He's gonna follow us now.
I want to take him home.
Yeah. Not sure what this beach is called that we come to. It's basically that one that you saw from the shots, where like two beaches were on either side. That's where we came. There's loads of fishing boats here pretty much. There's a few fishermen here earlier as well. And you can see here, there seem to be like drying fish or something. Not sure what that's for. And the sunset should be anytime soon. Trying to teach Carol how to skim a stone. Done.
Yeah, I give up.
So we found the fish businessman right here. They didn't speak English.
I wonder why they did that. Like, what is that for? The fishing?
Yeah, I'm not sure. Businessman. Going to head out now before it gets like pitch black, since we don't really know where we are properly, and we just got to work out how to get down south now because we don't really want to walk there. So trying to see if we get like a motor taxi or something. Carol, what are we doing? Hello. Hello. What's your name? What? That's it. Back at Mr. Quiz Resort now. I thought I'd show you this place quickly because it's actually the cheapest accommodation that we've gotten here in the Philippines so far, and I think we paid $7 a night, so insanely cheap. That's for the both of us. We got it through Agoda. We had never used that site before, but we used them and they had some like promotions and stuff, so that's why it ended up being that price. So as always, still very simple place. You got your fan, definitely needed that last night. Just normal, simple wooden bed. Got some shelves here, and then in here you have the simple bathroom. So a lot of like the bathrooms we've been staying in cheap places kind of looks like this. Usually they have a toilet seat though, this one doesn't. And one thing that I've never mentioned, this is very common in Philippines. Filipinos use this to clean. They don't use toilet paper. So yeah, if you're a foreigner and you're used to using toilet paper, make sure when you're here to always carry around toilet paper, because me and Carol do that, because even in all the public places you pretty much always get that bucket there. Just no toilet roll at all, so that's just one tip from me. And tomorrow we're gonna be going to a place called Kalangaman Island. Malapascua has day trips to there. It looks like some awesome little island, and it's one of the things that actually made me come to Malapascua, because I knew that you could do day trips there. In Malapascua, a lot of people actually come here for the diving. They have the, I think it's called Thresher Shack. Here you can almost see it every single day. I think it's one of the unique places where you can almost be guaranteed to always see it. We're not gonna really be doing diving, that's why we just chilled out on the island today. But yeah, like I said, that's what's coming up tomorrow. So as always, drop a like on this video, subscribe if you like to see more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.